Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to top off windshield washer fluid in 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. First, we'll have to open the hood by pulling this hood release lever. Now pull this lever to the left and lift up the hood. Your windshield washer fluid reservoir on this vehicle is located on the passenger side, and it is right here. And now to add windshield fluid, you simply have to open the cap and add some fluid. It is ideal that you're using a funnel, but I don't have it handy at the moment. Once when you're done, you simply just need to close this cap, make sure it clicks, so it's properly secured. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.